For the real dog. Alright. Do it to it!
Go.
Okay.
Oh, the burner!
That's right. I'll walk out a little bit, but not that much. Over here. Doing a pass in front of us right now. I'm going to do one downwind right now, reasonably fast. Woo-wee! Whoa, it's windy up there.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Blast pass right now.
I almost couldn't see the thing, and it stalled at the top.
Woo! Right over my head. All right, now one from the right. Dude, it is windy up there. This thing like slingshots when you turn a certain way. It is. It's deceivingly fast.
On the right path?
Time remaining
Yeah.
1 minute.
Whoa! I didn't realize we were that close. No, the 6000s, it loves them. Or the 65 C5,
Yeah.
it loves
The
them.
40 C5000.
Oh, hey, whatever works. I use those too. But what I notice is the 50 C6000
Yeah.
and the 65 C5000,
Good touch, definitely.
it freaking rips with those. Dude, those lights that Nate put on there look amazing.
Yeah.
30 seconds.
Land this while I can still see it.
Okay, I'll escort you down because I'm okay. Oh God, it's hard to see. Holy crap.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nightcap right
Time
there.
Yep.
expired.
All right, let's do a Loco Lopez pass. That's the guy who flew it for a while.
Gear down.
I am totally falling in love with this thing. Holy crap. This plane is amazing.
Looks like the real thing too with the light.
Yep. It's fucking hard to see though. Shit.
At least you have the blinkers though, so you can keep those level. Good.
Buttrey! Yeah, F-22 is becoming my favorite. I'm gonna have to figure out every way I can to pack this on every trip. And this is that old ass setup.
Over.
This is that heavy 1730 kV 4092. Still got a new one to try, but yeah. That's it. was awesome. HRB 50C 6000. I guess. I don't care. All I know is they work.
Gear up.
Yeah, the lemon gyro works amazing in this one. That's what's in it. And that's the one I'm probably going to put back into the F-15.